Welcome to the Bleacher, gentlemen. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gunners, the Stark Industry Gunner optic glasses. So let's get right to the point. Sorry, it has like address, it has the address and everything. So yeah, so I haven't had Gunners in a while. The last time I got was the Gunners Enigma, and I didn't do a proper video for that one, but next time I do get another one, I will do it. So we have here in the unboxing the Gunnar Optiks glasses. So usually I've been a Gunnar fan since 2016 17, I believe, and this, I'm sold by it. I really like the glasses from them. These are actually prescribed, so basically I'm getting here two. I got two packages. One for if I'm ever out of town. I don't want these glasses to break. So yeah, so we'll open up that box later. And let's focus on the Stark Industry glasses. So this is basically, here, I'll let you guys have a QR code while we're at it. So if you ever want to try these glasses virtually, just put your phone up. I'll give you like 5 seconds to look at that, and then you can visually try how these glasses would look at you. So we're looking at the Stark Industry glasses right here. We're looking at reduced digital eye strain, block blue light, improve sleep. I'm still gonna advertise. Prevent dry eyes and minimize glare. So these are the specific glasses that we're looking at. And overall, I think this is awesome. Gaming, doctor recommended. It's, of course, it's patented and experts in 2006. So yeah, it's crazy how they've been in the game for the longest time. And yeah, there's other people that tell you basically like, oh, just lower your screen, turn amber on. Like, yeah, but I kind of need it not just for gaming or being on the computer, but you know, just even driving at night is pretty awesome. So let's get started. All right, so let's open it from here. Oh man, great packaging. I love it. I'm actually oh, that's sick. It's freaking awesome. I love the packaging. I save all packages just in case. I'll leave this in the background or look at it. So great durable box. If you guys know what Stark Industries is, from Iron Man, remember this case from the first movie? Dun, 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 dun. Sweet. So powered by Stark. And we have the box. And we have these awesome Marble Gunners. Nice cleaning cloth right here. I am a Marvel fan to an extent, but I do love DC too. Oh, look at the back. That is awesome. Ice, ice, baby. I think we're somewhere around there. Either way, I love the smell. Super clean. Now let's get to the Stark Industry. Ooh, it's signed by Tony Stark himself. Yeah, so I work for Tony Stark. Don't tell anybody, but he's secretly Iron Man. He's probably gonna like get mad at me, but it's okay. So here we are doing this. Here we go. So we're unpacking this. All right. So overall, I like that. It's nice. Check it out. It's pretty sweet. Oh, let's take that off. So these were prescribed. So they weren't just made. They were prescribed. All right. Oh my gosh. Overall, lightweight. These look awesome. Awesome. They look pretty durable. I like the little line right here. Pretty sweet. As you can see here, a big difference. Yeah, so I like my frames like round and big because, you know, it's better to like look to the left. It might take a while to get used to the left and the right, but those of you seen that my Gunners Enigma, they are pretty round and they're clear. They did kind of break, but and I'll explain in the other video when I exchange for the other one. So here it is, guys. This is the Gunnar Stark Industry glasses. Pretty much it. My review. I like this right here. I mean, it's exactly like Tony Stark's glasses, basically it. So it has the black liner out on the front and the back. As you can see, paying attention to detail. I really like this. I haven't worn glasses like these in a long time with these little frames. I know that people tend to get like their nose, like it, depending how much they wear them, it kind of gets like, you know, you get that little ring around your nose. But yeah, I'm gonna give this glasses a try and see how I like them throughout the daily. Gunners does prescription. They do give you a certain amount of days for you to wear them. If you don't like them, you can easily return them. Great customer support, very helpful. Overall, guys, yeah, like I said, I've been with Gunnar for a long time, and I actually look forward to continue doing their business with them. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Like I said, this was a small review for the Gunnar Optic glasses. Overall, I do like them. Actually, I don't want to do that, but yeah, guys, because it's gonna fall into there. But yeah, these are the official Tony Stark glasses. Like I said, I'm gonna be wearing them for a while. Overall, I do like the packaging and just how they sit there. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about the Tony Stark glasses. I think if you're a big Marvel fan, you will appreciate these. I do appreciate them. And basically they have Spider-Mans as well. So I really love the fact that Gunnar is partnering with Marvel to take these out. You know, the Spider-Mans look kind of cool, has like a red frame around it, but I was literally gonna get the Spider-Man Enigma ones, but it was too red, and I don't want it to you know, like be going around with red glasses everywhere. But these look really professional, and overall stainless steel. It's kind of lightweight. You know, some glasses, they're actually pretty like heavy, but I think these will sit pretty good. Alrighty, guys, that's it for my review. Just wanted to give you a short like unboxing video for the Gunnar Optic glasses for the Stark Industries limited edition. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Not peace. It's gonna be Iron Man out.